Alright, welcome to another video of the life of a Jamaican diver. Today I have a special guest, and that special guest right here on time is one of my best mates' little brothers. He's brought the supplies. What are we saying, Sam? Say hi.
Not for you, YouTube channel.
Yeah, say hi.
Ah.
Is that it? Okay, so Sam is basically my best friend's little brother, and he's basically my little brother as well. Pretty much.
I got 4.
Huh?
I got 4 balls.
Oh, 4 balls, perfect. And today we are going down to Manchester to watch both of our favourite teams, Manchester United. See them play in the Legends game against Barcelona.
Who's playing for Barcelona?
Don't know, no
Is it
idea.
the Legends Barcelona?
Yeah, there'll be some good players for sure. They're like random players, I bet.
Yeah.
But there'll be some good players.
Messi just got 1.
Imagine the scenes. That'll be kind of sick then.
About Bolt was meant to be
Yeah,
playing.
Bolt was playing.
Pulled out.
Yeah. So Usain Bolt was meant to be playing, but because of his heartbreaking injury at the Athletics World Championships, he won't be playing now because he's got a hamstring tear. So I hope he's there though. He might be there. Like he was at the game
Leicester
at the weekend. Yeah. So I hope he's there this time. That'd be cool. Maybe I'll like try and like wave and see if he remembers me. If he can spot me from the other side of the stadium. Such a sick signing. That's a serious good bit of business. Yeah. And they got Boney back as well.
Did you see how Boney, like, how they introduced him to the team?
Oh my
so
god.
great. I thought it was so good. It's like Wilfred Boney's and it's like he turns around.
Come on, Wilfred Boney.
Yeah.
Score some goal for Swansea. We go
Like,
wow, wow, wow.
African, he was like singing it.
We go wow, wow, wow.
But he looked like so unhappy. He was like,
he was not up for that whatsoever. Oh, I think I might need to be in this queue now. Cause I'm pretty certain this is the queue for my exit, but I'm just gonna try and skip out as much traffic as possible because I don't do waiting. I'm not about that life. So one of my theories, and I've told Kieran about this, and it's potentially slightly controversial theory, but my theory was that Mourinho was trying to just scare the opposition into submission every single game by signing a load of big black players. Because like, if you look at the Man United team, right, and the most influential players in our team at the moment, you got Eric Bailly here at the back, right, and then you got Valencia, right, and then you got right in the centre you got Pogba, of course. And then you got Martial on the wing, then you got Rashford, all like tall people as well, and then up top you got Lukaku.
But like, I wouldn't be scared of Rashford.
Yeah, but he's like fast in it.
Yeah, true.
Like, you're gonna be scared of his feet. You know what I mean?
I'll be scared of Martial. Have you seen how angry he always looks?
Trust me, he like never smiles, does he?
Yeah.
Fully vexed.
For Lukaku.
And then they got Lukaku up top, who's just a beast, straight up. And then Fellaini is like arguably black, because if you got hair like Fellaini, it's like you got some black in you for sure. And then if you look at all the goal scorers this season so far,
Fellaini, Pogba,
Lukaku, Rashford, Martial, Bailly.
Yeah.
So then read
Mkhitaryan's
just in those, but read it how you like. I reckon Mourinho's going for that kind of tactic.
I feel bad for Mata though, because like in the games he's played well, but he just hasn't got like anything on paper. Assists or goals.
Well, he had that goal run down, but he's still balling, like he's still doing well. So it's doesn't necessarily matter like.
Yeah, true.
It doesn't necessarily matter for Mata because I don't even know what lane I need to be in. Oh, I need to take taxi actually. Oh, I nearly missed it. Straight down?
Yeah.
So no problem.
It's always a safe option to get on the ball.
Scored twice in that 3-3 draw in the countdown back in. 114 to Carl Evans, that's from Constantino. In memory of those affected.
This is very much in the moment, but I am so blessed to be where I am right now, being able to do what I do every day, being able to compete and represent my country, and I don't think that's celebrated enough. Like, everybody loves the athlete who is on top, everybody loves the champions, everybody loves the winners. Everybody loves the people who are breaking world records. Everybody loves the people who always get to stand on top of the podium. And congratulations to them. Like, they are extremely talented. They're extremely fortunate to have the talent that they have. They are unbelievable athletes who've trained very hard to get where they are. But I don't think it's celebrated enough, those athletes that maybe don't quite make the podium every single time, and those athletes that do put in the same amount of work, and if not even more work, to get where they want to be. But even that level is not quite at the top of the podium. Those athletes lower down need to be celebrated as well, because it's inspiring. Like, in the world, let me twist this into the world of business or into the world of work. Say, for example, your performance was basically income. So you have the winners, you have the Richard Bransons, you have the Mark Zuckerbergs, the guys that are at the top of the level because they are extremely talented and they know so much about what they do. But lower down, you have those people who are extremely, extremely successful, but might not make as much money as the winners, as the Mark Zuckerbergs, but they are still bringing in a tremendous amount and doing so much good for their area of expertise, let's say. So in sport, it's such a fickle world, because the fans are so, not necessarily the fans, the media is so focused on the top and on the highest level, but there's so many more inspirational stories. And I've just had this feeling right now where I appreciate what I get to do every single day. Even though I'm not the most successful diver there ever has been, I've had success in my career. I mean, I've achieved the dreams I wanted to achieve in my sport. You know, I want to try and push and do better every single time I compete, and whether that's winning medals or not, or whether it's just getting a PB, that's what I want. But even so, like, I am so fortunate to be able to have this talent and have this ability to be able to do a sport like diving, and I am so fortunate to be able to go around the world, competing, training, making friends, seeing countries that I never thought I'd seen before. For example, in 2014 I went to China, 2015 I went to Russia. I never thought I'd be going to those countries, but through my sport, through diving, I've been able to go and witness that. And this is what so many people need to see, and so many people need to understand, that winning isn't everything. Simple as that. Winning is not everything. You don't have to be at the top of the game to have achieved. You don't have to be at the top of the game to be successful. As long as you know in your head what is success for you and what is good for you as a person, that's all you need to know, and you need to put 100% into achieving the best you can achieve every single day. And I am starting to understand that. I mean, maybe 2016 was slightly distorted for me because I overachieved, and then in 2017 I wanted to reach those same achievements, but because I overachieved, you can't always reach the same overachievements year on year. I know now that I just need to put the work in and enjoy the process and enjoy every single day and enjoy what I do at training, and just love where I am and just appreciate where I am, because so many people wish they could be a professional athlete or an elite athlete or someone who gets to go around the world. People think my life is easy. People think my life is, stress-free. Like, who wouldn't want to travel all around the world? But it's not. It requires a lot of hard work, but I've got to enjoy that hard work, and I do enjoy that hard work, and other people need to just enjoy the hard work, and things will come good.